Today we'll discuss about the LSTM, long short term memory. So LSTM is like a smart workers in your team who are remembering important details for a long time while filtering out the less relevant information. It is a type of neural network designed to handle the sequences of the data. Okay. For example, we have the memory like a notepad. Okay, in this case, what we do, imagine like you are reading a book, okay, and LSTM is like a notepad. You carried out the jot down the important things and ensuring you don't forget that important details from that book. Okay, so this is something here you're writing some keywords, okay, or key characters. Okay, so in this way, if you see these words, you have back of the mind, you have some details about these keywords. Okay, and another I have example is like LSTM. For example, we have some robot. Okay, so his robot is telling the story. Okay, so his robot telling story word by word. Okay. So in this long short term memory, we have two type of memory, first of all. One is the short term, another one is the long term. If we're talking about the short term, okay, short term. So in short term, we robot only remember the recent words. Okay. Or we remember only the recent words. Okay. Here, these words ensuring here we that these words has some these ensuring the sentences make sense. Okay, then another one I have is long-term memory. Okay, so in this it stores overall plot. Okay, that includes characters, that includes context of the story. Okay, so here what LSTM trying to do is decide what information to keep and what to discard. Okay, it is like having filter to shift through the details and only remember what matters. Okay, then here the LSTM is designed to vanishing the vanishing gradient problem. Okay, so it ensuring it does not forget important details even when the story become complex. Okay, so LSTM has both long-term and short-term cells, and long-term memory help remember essential context, while short-term memory focuses on the recent information. Okay, so why we need this LSTM? So LSTM, we need this LSTM to prediction. We can say predict the next word in the sentence. Okay, or understanding sentiment of a paragraph. Okay, LSTM is like shine by the capturing the dependencies and the uh, we have the different dependencies in the sequential data. Okay, so if we talk about overall what is LSTM, LSTM is your reliable assistant for the tasks involving sequences, making it a valuable tool in NLP, that is my natural language processing. Okay, it helps in speech recognition and like it has many applications. Thank you.